those who sins against us. Do not bring us to the test, but deliver us from evil. Amen.
Sit down.
Thank you, Mom.
So, who is absent today?
Anales and
Agnes and
Lupa.
Bad Lupa. So, class secretary, can we not have some absences for today? Only Andales and
Baluka.
then how are you feeling, man? Happy? Okay, right? Okay. So, what about Pero? What about Nicolo? Okay lang mo. How do you say that one in English, man? Gabiana. Kamusta lang, ha? Today. Happy? Fine?
I'm happy.
Ha?
Enjoy now.
Okay. So mixed feelings, no? Mixed emotions. Ito yung kanda. Ang saman. The intensity of happiness sa inyong okay. So today's lesson is saman. We are in our week 7 na. So English is week 7. How many weeks more to go?
One.
Okay, so we have 1 week for the end of the second quarter. Yes. So the topic of today's lesson is usaman. Ay, si topic. Yes, it's again everyone. So I am sure that you have an idea now with this topic now because we have discussed this some of the topics before, but okay. Our learning objectives of today's lesson, can we read the first objective? Astronomy. Yes, define propaganda, bias, prejudice, and stereotyping. Next, tayo. Upo. Okay, kampay niya. Again, take again kampanya. Yes, so we are going to identify techniques used and test lesson 2, viewed or event, and the text that we have read. Next, Jane Yen.
Compare and contrast pictures of the three text types.
Yes, compare and contrast pictures from the 3 text types. Then another one, Salazar. Okay, so express understanding on how these techniques influence our opinion or your opinion. Then the last one is Dayo. Ano, Dagoy? Sorry.
Make a short
Okay, so you are going to create your output. So, example of the output that you are going to do is poster or video. Then using one propaganda technique. So, what will be our output for today's lesson? Milano. What will you do? From the objectives given, what's the output? Huh? Yes, poster. What else? Okay, Galen. Aside from poster, what will be your output? Jingle. So poster making or jingle creating? Jingle. Jingle bells? Kanta. Okay, so sort of kanta. Okay, so the topic again is everyone, can you read? So, next, materials. So you are going to use chart, paper, and marker for what? Over the next, this is our reference, the English learning module, quarter 2. What will be? How will answer that question? They can read this verb. Now just read the question motivation.
How advertisement influence people's choices?
Okay, so how advertisement influence people choices. Kasi nakakita ko among ninyo na who have seen advertisement. Ha? Kasi nakakita ko advertisement. Lovely. And kung saman, from what kind of kuan? What kind of advertisement you have seen, man? Shampoo and coffee. What else? Opo. Very good. Shampoo, coffee, what else? Soap, detergent soap, and another means beauty soap. Okay. Kampanya. Biscuits, others, forest, services, and businesses. Okay. So from what particular medium you have seen that advertisement? From review, television, ano ba din yan nakita? Yes, from television. So mostly from ads. So it is ads, advertisement or ads from television. No? The most popular medium for it is television. And also even in our mobile phone, di ba?
Yes.
There are advertisement. If you are going to view a certain sama na serie or videos from our mobile phone, there are advertisement. Okay. So how does it affect the people's choices? Example, you have seen shampoo. Right? And then how does it affect people? How? Shampoo queries businesses. How does it affect the choices of people? Huh? You said you have answered that businesses is can be fine also in advertisement. So how does it affect the people's choice? Services, di ba? So we are going to support the kind of business whom we have seen its advertisement, di ba? And then even the services, the salon, di ba? Ano pa may offer services? The shampoo also. We are going to buy that kind or that particular shampoo kung nakita na sa ating lahat advertisement. Okay. So it really applies people's choice. This shampoo is being advertised. And then the other shampoo is not. Which are you going to select? The is the advertised, especially it is oftenly done advertised too. Then okay, this is the one that you are going to. What is that? Yes. So you're going to prepare 1/4 centimeter. Go. And do not forget to write your name and the date for today. So I will just give you for the previous and to give you 5 minutes. Ano? Just 1 minutes lang because it is only 10 item test. Okay, so in our quiz test, so it is a short quiz using sample as and statements. Then, you students identify issues, whether it is bias, prejudice, or propaganda. So what will be your answer? So it is only 10 item test. So there is one for guys. Stereotyping. Okay, for the propaganda, bias, prejudice, and stereotyping. So direction, read its statement or add carefully, then identify whether it shows propaganda, bias, prejudice, or stereotyping. Then for the number 1, our brand is the number 1 choice of the smart moms. Number 2, all the leaders today are lazy and irresponsible. So what the statement tells us? Then 3, vote for Mr. Cruz, the only candidate for 40 years for the poor. The number 4, I don't like hiring women because they are too emotional. 5, this shampoo is used by famous celebrities, so it must be good. 6, my favorite team lost because the referee was unfair. Then 7, people from the province are not as smart as those from the city. 8, join millions of satisfied customers who trust our product. 9, I'll read only the article that agrees with my opinion. Then 10, we have men are naturally better drivers than women. So your answer will be propaganda, bias, prejudice, or stereotyping. No! Okay. So, do not let your classmate copy from your answer. Anyway, it is only pretest to determine whether you have you have prior knowledge about the topic that we are going to discuss. Are you done? What
Propaganda na, ma'am.
Our branch number 1.
Propaganda.
Propaganda.
Smartphone. Sama na siya.
Propaganda.
Nakakata. Nakakata.
Ang sorry, ma'am.
This. Okay, so the answer is propaganda.
Uy! Ano? Taka-taka. Aray ko.
So number 1, our answer is
Propaganda.
propaganda. Number 2, bolonos. So all teenagers today are listening and responsible. Answer. Go. Very good. And next. Number 3, girls.
Vote for Mr. Cruz, the only candidate who truly cares for the poor.
So what is the answer?
Propaganda.
Propaganda. Okay, correct. And number 4, Galactia boys.
I don't like hiring women because they are too emotional. Prejudice.
Prejudice.
Yes.
Say it is correct. Yes. Number 5, everyone.
This shampoo is used by famous celebrities, so it must be good.
Propaganda.
Propaganda.
Number 6. Amisula. Darling.
Secretary name was because the territory was unfair. Bias.
Answer.
Bias.
Bias for number 6.
Bias.
Yes. 7. Milano. Okay, people from province are not as smart as those from the city. Answer.
Prejudice.
Yes, prejudice. Number 8. Number 8 is Storma.
Join millions of satisfied customers who would ask for propaganda.
Okay, so that is propaganda. Number 8. Number 9. I will call Paladyusa. Answer. Huh? I read only the article that agrees with my opinion. What is the answer? Bias? Yes. Then for the last number, we have Piring-Piring. Okay, answer, Gabi. What is the answer for number 8, Gabi? Huh? Women are usually are naturally better drivers than women. As per you, okay, so try to know how many got for 10 points. 9. No what? 8. You go. 8. Wow, congratulations! Hello!
Nainis na, ma'am.
Really, but very short and
Kuya.
Word score instead of 8. 6. Bagay mo na lang yun siya. 6. 7.
6, 7. Yata, girl.
Oh, that's 7. Okay, so, ano yung
Six, ma'am. May six mo, Moy.
Five.
Well, pinaka.
4.
Hoy, body mo nga.
Uy, nabu.
One.
Uy, gitar mo.
Pwede mo ako, ha? Zero. Zero.
Nakaraman din
Zero.
niya.
Not worry because it is only for us. And the one that I am going to record is the post. So the topic
Lalo
of our
kayo.
discussion is spotting bias and propaganda for cause. Understand how propaganda and bias affect interpretation. Then vocabulary, what do you mean by bias? Prejudice, stereotyping, bandwagon, testimonial, and what is the meaning of bias? Okay, roll number is 750. Roman answer in Campania. Yes, answer treatment. Next, prejudice. What do you mean by that word? Okay, Campania Gamon. Okay, Campania. Ha? Only this. Next is stereotyping. Verano. What about terror? Stereotyping. Kayo. We're having classes. Let's do it. Sit down. Stereotyping. How can help terror? How can help terror? What is the meaning of stereotyping? Kalu-kalu guys. What is the meaning of stereotyping? Ha? Si Juan. Si Zenres. Tayo. Bandwagon. What is that? What is the meaning of that? Abe, tayo ka rin. All people. Okay, so more on everyone is going that what? Yes, testimonial. What is the meaning of testimonial? Testimonial. Parityos. endorsement from celebrities. From the word testimony, what is testimony? It is what? It is a testimonial evidence. What is testimonial? Using the words from the known people, from the celebrities. So that means that we believe on what they told us. And transfer.
What is transfer? Transfer of
Credentials? What would transfer mean? You two advertisement, one from the radio and one from Saman. Rented, but I have just give you the English stuff for the prayer, and then I have also said something. Then, what means is do this as one has to believe. Nakarenses nila. So, muna iniwan iba. For the first advertisement, so you are going to fill in the comparison chart. Then, next time, we use a message, bias, or present. Okay. The first advertisement is Saman. Okay. So, that is advertisements of picture or printed. Diba? So, you can just turn and look at the picture. Diba? Next advertisement is, so try to compare the two advertisements that I have. Okay. So this is the second, then the then the first one. That is the first one, then the second. So you're going to compare ha? Question. So we have viewed already the two advertisements. So one video and one image of friend. So question, what means this do this as? As one as to believe. So for the first advertisement, Rosas. Okay. You will be confused when you are doing this. So hopefully you are not listening. Diba? Napakatawag mo. So, estorba. What message do the ads want us to believe? The product this time speak in English.
the teachers have said,
So in the first advertisement, what is the message of that advertisement? On the first katungkuhan. This one. What is the message of this one?
just like their name of the product.
So we will create
In the name of the product.
yes, the name, the the message that they are like, they are giving us. From this picture, from this advertisement, what message that they want us to believe? Any idea from the part? What is the message? What is the mensahe of the Quran? Huh? If you see this kind of advertisement, what will come into your mind? Tayo. Upo. Tayo. Upo. Okay. Gabian. Out from the picture, what message that was given to you by the advertiser? Upon seeing the picture, you know that it is advertisement because you are endorsing a certain product, di ba? So what's the message that we can get out from that picture? Yeah. Any idea? Huh? Any idea? So any idea of the picture? Gabriela. Any idea of the picture or the advertisement that was being posted? Huh? So, we have already in the second quarter. You cannot say as a person, first out from the pictures that was given. Lovely. Ah, then? Okay. Out from this picture, can you identify what this product means? Or what are the uses of this product? Rhea Misula. For laundry, we have gay, Tide, laundry detergent, and third is Saman. This is product for laundry. So more than basis that we are emphasizing. And then, if you are going to use, or you're going to interpret, di ba? You're going to interpret what is the effect of this product on our laundry. Yeah? So the idea that they want you to have That is the message that the advertiser wanted you to have. Diba? Kung ano yung message nila may ilahangin, the advertisement says in flying that these products are good to be used in our laundry. Okay, next. What about this one? Okay, try to focus. Okay. So which is more likely have given the basis of the video or the picture? Video. So the video. So we can observe in messages, or we can get messages from the video that we have sent. So what is the message man? Gabihan na. Video. So out from that video, what is the message man? Being relate to the hospital. Out from this video, what is the message man? Okay. Right there. Okay. Fragrance. Okay, so that is the messages being given to you from this certain video. So by the use of this detergent, so the stain, the dirt from the t-shirt is being removed, diba? So it will mix the t-shirt, brighten, deep clean, high-performance, long-lasting fragrance, and remove stubborn, diba? So from this one to that one. From that one, it becomes saman. And brighter. So, which do you like more? The president, the picture, or the video?
The video.
What example say Ma'am Juan? Example is Ma'am Usain, vlogger. Yeah. All you have in vlog is only the pictures. Compared to Ma'am Gang video. Asa ba yung which are you going to select? Okay, so mas maayong video na. Okay. So that is the result of, that is the comparison of the two. Now we have answered question number 1. Then we are going to answer question number 2 and number 3. Then end the comparison part. We are going to compare. Saan nyo i-compare? Okay, the advertisement which is the video and the picture. So how do you compare the two? Who can compare? Hello. What happened? Huh? Si Kabili. Let's compare the two advertisements. Yes, but the image or the pictures are so the messages is not clear, no? lesson number 1. Why did you say my face, my house? Tayo. And please, put your bags at the side of the door. Who's the latest bias?
Uy,
Who's the latest bias?
May.
And then finally,
Pwede Dex. Mata sa.
Programs experience from the group. Whereas, and done.
Thank you.
sige ma'am.
Okay, open experience. Unfair, so itong bias, unfair. Unfair, prejudice. Only this. Example, you are the company that owns the pie, that owns this kind of brand, di ba? So you are going to defend from what products are you endorsing, di ba? You are the one who is the owner of the tie, and then you are going to promote that or an action. So it's not it's bias. So what are the similarities and difference we can find between the two texts, the bias and the prejudice? Yes, the bias is unfair treatment and then prejudice is only basis. What is the difference? Ibrahim, what is the difference between the two? The two texts. I think no one from this class deserves higher scores than performance. Sige. Dahil ka rin. First is the similarities. Then, yes, showing advertisement. Then the differences. The difference between the two. So under your ability, just think that you are having the and then if you are going and deciding things there, you can disturb almost everyone wanted to learn. But how can you learn if you are not going to listen? Even though how good a teacher it is, if you do not listen or you don't want to listen, surely the discussion is a failure. You will not listen, you will not cooperate. So what will happen? And then you are doing things which is irrelevant to our What is propaganda? But this time I am giving you a chance to open your cellphone. Si Juan, si Pelekami. What is propaganda? Louder, guys. Okay, who has the nose about propaganda? Can you raise your hand? Okay, everyone who have written propaganda, who have the meaning of propaganda, can you stand? Who have the meaning of propaganda, can you stand? Only 2 people? Huh? Hello? Can you stand? Those who have notes about propaganda. Sana. Only about propaganda. Because I know that we have discussed that one. Only few students are having their notes na. Okay, propaganda is what? Okay, everyone, raise. Among katunayan mga notes. Go. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, what is the key word for propaganda? Okay. Mrs. Tobeto.
Okay.
First read.
Okay.
Okay. What effect does this have on the audience? If you are using the propaganda, what's the effect on the audience? Yes, the audience will be violent. So again, the meaning of propaganda is persuasion. Or to persuade people. So persuade the audience, diba? We are using words, the strength of the words to convince people. Then bias, it is a one-sided presentation. Because if you can always you can hear sometimes that the players, especially for the players, diba? When we say that referee is biased. So when we say that referee is biased, what is the message man? Yeah? Okay, so he or she is only after for that one side sa mga opposite. Very unfair treatment. Next is unfair judgment. Then, students share, this is the sharing of their life situation. When have you encountered bias? Have you encountered bias? Huh? Yes, okay. What kind of bias is Parimas? Alexandra. Your own experience. Yes. So how can you see that bias? Why the bias? The parents are the bias? Why? It's between you and your sister, diba? And then who is favored? Yung magmahal. Okay, so in that case, bias is being kaman. Sure, no bias. So most of the time is the mahal is the boy. Why? In the experience also, I have a younger sister. And then, The new clothes is nasa ko sa iyo sa yogurt. And then he will just, she will just kuhan. They will just, kalagay yung clothes is given to her. Buy ka na video. O my mother buy a new clothes. And then the old ones will be given to my sister. So that is bias. But in terms of kind of household na works, di ba? The oldest is the one who is doing the task. And the younger is pamibigay yung sila. Di ba? So there is all that is also an example of kind of bias. Nasing. Then, propaganda. Have you ever encountered this one in your life? Na you have done propaganda? Deka ka na. Salar. Propaganda. It is persecution. We are going to persecute the parents. Always. We are doing the propaganda. We are going to, you must buy me cell phone because we are using that one in our lesson, in our studies. The first with the mother, separate lang. Diba? So, that is an example of propaganda. And then, we will have, ano din siya? Propaganda is persuasion techniques used to influence people, opinion, or actions. Then bias is one-sided presentation favoring one view over another. Prejudice and unfair judgment or without enough knowledge. Kaya we are going to judge and educate that kind of people, that kind of person that you have not, you don't have the full knowledge about that certain individual. Stereotyping, believing all members of the group are the same. Sample namin kanin taga-salmon kayo, di ba? Quote na kanin taga-salmon kayo mga bride. So I am believing that all the students from the salmons are bride students. Big news dito. That students, mauna ko sila. Next is application. This is the one that we're doing. So group performance. Now I am going to let you decide. So this side is for the jingle. Those who are in kind of music can stay here. And then that side is for the poster meeting. Okay, just bring your bags and transfer with your answer to the okay, go. This side for the jingle. This side is for the poster meeting. If you think that you're good in
Asa mo ganahan? Mag-poster po po, ma'am.
going to do poster. So we will just one cancel the video. So wait, what you are going to do in your poster, you will be showing one propaganda kami. Okay. Then present and explain the message. So one for the boy, one for the girl. Then start now. So the leader for the boys will be and the leader for the girls is Tereng-tereng. And will be tereng-tereng and padilyo. And these leaders maintain the silence, the outbreak. Because we are following the prayer. So do not talk much. Just use four bond paper. Four bond paper. And the poster is only good for the reminder katong grupo na kayo kabalo-balo, you will be deducted. And then leaders of the group, kindly do not give other points to those who did not participate. Only 20 minutes.
Ani di mahugay ang nandito niya. Uy, bagay naman ba?
Parang bulit din.
Dapat pala na mo.
Gusto na. Ano yun?
Basta ka maklaro ka magporma ko. Ma'am, report pala siya, ma'am. Uy! Bisa. Kayo? Hindi ka na kayo? Ya, bato lang ito.
Gimana ba? Oy, nga naman yun. Yaw ko. Joke lang. Video na. Tao ko. Ito nga yung vlog. Vlog. Wait, tayo gila. Pagkano ko nangyari siguro? Ako pa yun.
Ay,
Yeah.
Hindi ka nang buwan, balik ka nang siyat lang. Kapag lang ka, balik ka lang. May 1 to 1. Manambot ka bitaw nga. Ano bitaw? Pabalit.
Sabi niya, ano yung color? Ang bisa ng labi. Ang bisa ng biro. Labi. Kuluran, dali na. Kanira. I-highlight niya ha. Highlight. Highlight siya. Ako bilik. Ay. What bang? Ano, red? Oy.
Ano sa din? Red ni or nani ka po?
Di kanira. Basta kayo mga red. Kamu sa next week. Ang tawon. Balik ka.
Ay, ang PI.
Ha?
PI. O, English mo nila.
Kopi ko blanca.
Ang mga lalaki din.
Uja, may mo
Ako dito lang nasa. Ako salad din mo polo. Wow, yung sa tao. Sabi sa mo ko. Hatag sa green star.
Doon na na.
Yes, the remaining minutes is extension of 5 minutes.
Ano but ni lawan niya? Dapat din.
Di, anhe ang baso. Di, anhe diri ang Doon nga baso. Ay, diri ang baso, diri ang baso.
Don't forget.
Mga ano, igang ayo, igang. Kaya si Jama pa. Sugar free, ay kopi ko.
Kopi ko. Gara no. Bisa ka sa ako. Kopi ko.
Dua, isugar mo kaya.
Dunggan man ang mga.
Ano may salig-salig?
Okay.
Ang galing.
Isang nga.
Kopi ko.
Abot niya ra magkanang baso
Wala na
ko kopi ko.
Tangi nag-Milo energy.
Oo, kape.
Ang karon ni mas product.
Ba't niya mag-coffee?
Ari dire.
Sa gawin na lang. Ice. Ice. Baso na kay ice. Baso na yun. Dari po ito. Mura mamatay. Hindi sa kasakit yun. Kanandar ka bro. Para sa puso. Asa yung butang? Tara. Parako? Tara. Tarako. 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 Para sa puso nating para sa puso nating walang lamban. Astro pink, oy. Nadyo. Nagtaw mo sa liwa. Oo, gito. Karumaningon nga ko. Thank the fan.
Ulap.
One take one.
Mura na masarap pa. Mura na masarap pa. Epektibo, di ka makakakain. Lilo mo na. May lako. Lilo basta lilo na. Namigaw. Tuwing tanan ay magpuro tanan na.
Kulor tanan ba tabang ba?
Gold, puro. Girly man yan to. Bahil lang. Oh, dapat ka na. Very pink. Dapat ka na. Very good yun ka.
Sila eh.
Ano nga nagkapubuwa?
Bali na dyan tayo.
Ari ako bin. Ang guarda na guarda.
Iba sa mulubot kaya nga.
Ay ulo. Ay ka.
Lumit ako. Ay, dili.
Yawa eh.
Asa na yung kanya?
Saan mo ka?
Start from the girls. Okay, how will present for that girls group? From the girls group. O, tatlong bagsak.
We made this poster as a part of propaganda or advertisement. The technique used was half-truth and the product we used is Coca-Cola. It's half-truth because it says Coca-Cola has no sugar, but they didn't say the side effect of this. This means the poster shows information that is partly true, but leaves out other important details to make people believe or support a certain idea, product, or cause. Like this, sugar 0%, but they didn't say the side effect. That's all. Thank you.
Okay, congratulations. Next, order.
And here I have Rock Boys. This poster persuades people to buy the product because it is sugar-free. And this coffee helps you stay awake in working. These products help the farmers and passenger agents to stay awake in working. That's all.
Okay, congratulations. Yes, you are endorsing a soft drinks. What kind of soft drinks? Yes, Coca-Cola. And then if you're going to say this kind of poster, what does it implies? Now, what message can you get from this poster? Okay. So, all that being shown is only the advantages of drinking Coca-Cola. Yang pag-ibutang nila nga ito ang isang post gaya dito. So, you are going to persuade people by good words, di ba? So, you are going to, ano naman? This is the power of, or how a certain word will convince people, di ba? Okay, next. What is the product that you're endorsing? Buy one, pick one?
Kopeko.
Buy one, pick one, scarecrow? So what is this? Huh?
Orang kapit dilig mo moy.
I thought it is scarecrow because there is a kind of rice field. What is the connection between coffee, the coffee, and this scarecrow?
Yes, Kopeko mo
What is
nag-endorse.
this?
Nag-endorser.
This is the endorser.
Yes, ma'am.
If this will be shown to the public, surely I will not buy this Copico. See to it that you are going to persuade people, di ba? From the products or by the products that you are endorsing, it can persuade people to buy that kind of product. Okay, so for this activity, I am going to give more credits to the girls group. So the girls will have the more credits. Okay, just give me the list of the members, and then just send it out. Just in that one online. Sa atong GC. Okay, next. Huh? You still have much time. Okay, for our post test. This is the assessment. For the post test, kindly prepare 1/4. Perfect na this time. Okay, 1/4. This is good only for 5.
Boto ninyo. Pero di mo mabuto.
Okay. So we will use the 5 minutes. Oh no, just the 3 minutes for the question. Then we will compare your results sa pre-test and then the post-test. Time's up. And then for the boys, we're going to have the task 10. So, if you're not perfect to this, the girls will have 30 points. The boys, 20. Done? What is the 75% of 30? Huh? 24 or 30? Okay, so maybe we can have that 23. If you will get 23, so you will pass that. But for that girls, you have already 24 points. So, most probably, the boys will have to do this para okay. First up. Do not let your customer because this is an individual task. Kindly write correct and why. Kindly write correct and why and one. Okay, since na. Kasi wala pa ng question. Kampanya, are you done? Okay, just write correct and why then answer. Okay, thank you.
Ma'am, pwede ako ma'am. Ma'am, may kaso mo ma'am.
Tindog mo, oy.
Katigo, Poranggaw, Estorba, Anisula, Bayo, Rizalda, Tereng, and Romawa.
Perfect.
Next is 29 and below are the passages.
Pistol.
So, generalization. Why it is the
Lahat to may push up to me. Push up na rin ka lang.
So what do you think is the reason why it is important to recognize propaganda and bias in media? Media means in television, social media, push up, broadcast media. Why it is important? So it is important to recognize propaganda and bias in media.
Bisa nang dua ka baton. Iandam kung dua ka baton.
Usapan, we will not be misled.
Yarang, politis ah.
We will not be misjudged by the
bring us to test, but deliver us from evil. Amen.
Choy, pumukuha na na, Choy.
Ma'am, girl, ma'am, ha?
Ano yan?